Hey everybody, this is Eric with Project DIY. In today's video, y'all get a treat. My wife, Maria here.
Hey y'all.
She's gonna be showing y'all how to make some crafty stuff. She's gonna be doing all the work here. She's gonna show you how to do it, how to use the tools, and show you can do it yourself.
I'm going to show you today how to make some of these wooden lanterns. I was wanting some for some centerpieces, but just couldn't fathom paying the price that some people wanted. So I decided to make them myself, using some scrap wood that my husband had lying around in the barn. In this video, I am going to show you how to do these yourself, so you don't have to spend lots of money. All right, now we're here at the saw and we are going to measure these out and to cut them. So we will need 1 inch square rods. So we are going to bring this in to 1 inch. Make sure that you stay on this side of the blade, otherwise it's not going to be on 1 inch. And then down here as well, just in case. All right, and then we're going to lock this into place. Also, when cutting these, make sure that the blade comes up past your board. All right, I'm over here at the miter saw or chop saw, whichever you want to call it, and I have my square 1 inch rods, but I'm going to cut them down into lengths. I'm going to show you how to make at least one of these, even though I make them multiple. So I need 5 inch and I'm going to cut 8 of these per lantern. Over on the other side and do 5 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut these. When cutting the lengths of these, I'm going to make sure that my saw is on this side of my mark. That way I can get the full 5 inches. Going to get at least one more piece out of this wood. I got all my 1 inch square rods cut down. Now I'm going to work on the base. This board right here is wider than what I need, so I am going to cut it down and save the extra strip for more of these pieces since I have multiples to do. I need this base to be 7 1/4 wide. So I'm going to come over here and measure this at 7 1/4. On the other side, make sure you are still measuring on this side of the blade. Then we're going to lock it into place and go ahead and get these cut down. Now I got my board ripped down and I'm going to do 7 1/4 this way. Since I'm doing multiple ones, I am going to go ahead and measure for the first one, cut it, and then I'll measure for the rest. All right, now I've got all my pieces cut down, the 8 5-inch, the 4 10-inch, and my 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 base. I decided since I want a little bit of color to these, I am going to use this wood finish here just to give it some color. With this particular finish, you will need to put some on and then just wipe it off just to give it some color. Once I finish these, I can then put it together, but I'm gonna have to wait till they dry. All right, now I've got all my pieces cut and stained. Now it's time to put it together. For this, I am going to be using some wood glue and a pass load finish nailer with 1.5 inch angled nails. I'm going to put a little glue on each of these and attach it to this. Make sure my sides are lined up. And then for reinforcements, one frame done. Now I'm going to do another frame. Now we have this together and it's time to attach it to the base. Make sure that you wipe all the extra wood glue off before it dries. I'm going to try to line this up so that there is an edge on both sides and both sides here. Then nail it in place. Alright, now we have the finished product. You can use this for multiple seasons, fall, Christmas. You can also put it in different places on your table, front porch, or fireplace. I did this all myself, and I think it looks pretty good. So, thanks for watching. If y'all would, give us some likes and some subscriptions. And also, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks, guys.